Hey friends! So this video is going to review some of the Edmark sight words that we've been using, and I will be spelling them out as well as using sign language while going through the video. So for some of my kids, this is completely functional as far as working on sight words and just exposing them to it and letting them see it. And for some of my kids, just seeing the sign language and learning the signs for it. It also, for you parents, allows you the opportunity to be exposed to more sign language, and it also works on letters, and I'll be, like I said, spelling things out. So you'll learn sign language letters, and just hearing letters and being exposed to it for some of the kids is just as important as actually understanding what the sight word is. So we're going to go through the first 30 Edmark sight words that we use in the classroom. This is horse. 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 Car. 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 Yellow. 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 C. S. E. C. Ball. 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 Fish. 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 Boy. 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 Airplane. 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 Girl. 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 Little. 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 In. In. Box. 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 Green. 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 Chicken. 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 Apple. 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 Big. 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 Spoon. 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 Pencil. 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 Red. 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 Banana. 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 Cow. 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 Egg. 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 Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Go. G-O. Go. Candy. Before we did apple, an apple is a closed knuckle like that. Candy is a pointed finger. Candy. C-A-N-D-Y. Candy. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Eat. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. And orange goes for both the fruit and the color. Thank you.